Welcome to Day 2 of my 100-day Oracle DBA challenge. Today's topic is one of the most common areas of confusion for beginners. Oracle Instance versus Oracle Database. What's the difference? Although they work closely together, an Oracle Instance and an Oracle Database are not the same thing. In this video, I'll break down the difference in a simple but detailed way. Let's start with the Oracle Database. An Oracle Database is the physical storage layer. It refers to the actual file stored on disk where all data lives. These files include data files, control files, redo log files, undo data, temporary files, and parameter files. Think of the Oracle Database as the persistent component. Your data remains there even when the system is shut down. Now let's talk about the Oracle Instance. An Oracle Instance is the memory and background processes that allow Oracle to read, write, and manage the physical data stored in the database. The instance consists of two main parts. First is the System Global Area, also known as the SGA. The SGA includes components such as the shared pool, buffer cache, redo buffer, large pool, Java pool, and streams pool. These memory structures help Oracle manage SQL execution, caching, redo information, and shared resources. The second part of the instance is the background processes. These include processes like DBWN, which writes data to disk, LGWR, which writes redo information, CKPT for checkpoints, SMON and PMON for system and process monitoring, ARCN for archiving redo logs, and MMON for monitoring and performance statistics. Together, these background processes keep the database running, ensure data integrity, write changes to disk, and recover automatically when needed. Now let's look at the key difference between an Oracle Instance and an Oracle Database. The Oracle Instance lives in memory. It contains the SGA and background processes. It exists only when the database is started. It handles runtime operations. And it is temporary. Once shut down, it disappears. The Oracle Database exists on disk. It stores all user and system data permanently. It includes data files, control files, redo logs, and other physical files. It cannot function without an instance. And it remains even when the system is powered off. A simple way to remember this is: the instance is the engine. The database is the storage. You need both for Oracle to run. Now, why does this distinction matter for a DBA? As an Oracle DBA, you will constantly work with commands like startup, shutdown, alter system, and alter database. Understanding whether you are interacting with the instance or the database is critical when troubleshooting performance issues, recovering from crashes, managing memory, configuring parameters like file or file, cloning or migrating databases, and tuning components such as the SGA or PGA. This foundational knowledge prepares you for more advanced Oracle DBA topics coming later in the challenge. That brings us to the end of Day 2. On to Day 3 of the Oracle DBA 100-Day Challenge.